Ever spent a Friday night desperately trying to decipher a crumpled receipt from 3 weeks ago just to fill out a soul-crushing expense report? Yeah, us too. Those days of receipt-stuffed wallets and spreadsheet frustration can officially end. Today, we're diving into the world of Expensify, the one-stop shop for taking control of your business expenses. But before we jump in, let's rewind a bit. The problem: expense report chaos. Think about it. You travel for work, grab lunch with a client, or buy office supplies, all valid business expenses. But the moment you need to get reimbursed, it turns into a bureaucratic nightmare. You scramble for receipts, jot down cryptic notes on napkins, and spend hours wrestling with spreadsheets that wouldn't know a business category if it bit them. This inefficiency costs businesses big time. Lost receipts, delayed reimbursements, and inaccurate reports eat away at your bottom line. Not to mention the sheer frustration it creates for employees. Enter Expensify, your expense report superhero. Expensify is an expense management software designed to streamline the entire process, from capturing receipts to getting reimbursed. Think of it as your digital expense report superhero, swooping in to save the day. Here's how Expensify works its magic. First things first, forget the paper trail. Expensify lives in your pocket. There's a handy mobile app that lets you snap a picture of any receipt, restaurant bill, hotel stay, even that cab ride you just took. The magic doesn't stop there. Expensify uses smart technology to automatically extract key information from the receipt, like the date, merchant name, and total amount. No more deciphering faded ink or squinting at tiny print. Categorize with a tap. Once Expensify captures the data, it's time to categorize the expense. Expensify offers a predefined list of categories to choose from, like meals, travel, or office supplies. Need a custom category? No problem. Expensify lets you create your own, making it perfect for any business model. Say goodbye to spreadsheets. With all your expenses captured and categorized, Expensify does the heavy lifting. Forget about manually entering data into endless spreadsheets. Expensify automatically populates your expense report with all the information you've provided. Need to add some notes or explain a particular expense? No worries, Expensify allows you to add details for complete transparency. The power of collaboration. Expensify isn't just for you. It fosters teamwork within your organization. You can easily submit your expense report for approval with just a few clicks. Your manager can review the report, ask questions if needed, and even approve reimbursements, all within the Expensify platform. Insights to optimize spending. Expensify goes beyond just managing expenses. It provides valuable insights on your spending habits. With detailed reports and data visualizations, you can see where your money's going, identify areas for cost saving, and make smarter financial decisions for your business. Expensify, more than just expense reports. While expense reports are its bread and butter, Expensify offers a suite of additional features to empower your business. Company cards: issue virtual or physical company cards to employees for authorized spending. Expensify tracks all transactions automatically, eliminating the need for personal credit cards and manual expense reports. Bill payments: say goodbye to the paper check dance. Expensify streamlines bill payments directly through the platform. Receipt storage: gone are the days of digging through cluttered drawers. Expensify securely stores all your digital receipts for easy access and future reference. Expensify, the future of expense management. Expensify is a game changer for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a multinational corporation, Expensify streamlines the expense management process, saving you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.